Today we're going to discuss how to reinstall your reset button circuit card in a situation where your reset button may not be responding. First thing you're going to want to do is flip open your control and shut your boiler off. If you have a Vitoconnect, go ahead and disconnect that. What you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, wire cutters, and a zip tie. We'll start with a Phillips head screwdriver. And what we're going to do is we're going to loosen the two Phillips head screws on the left and right corners of your control. Now these screws remain retained on the control itself, so you don't have to worry about removing them completely. You just loosen them. Once you do that, you can lift the control up and just lay it back. And if you notice, on the left and right sides of the control itself, there are these tabs. This tab here, and then again on the other side, tab here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our flathead screwdriver and we're just going to lift one side of this tab just to pop it out from the locking. You can lift this cover up and out. In my situation, my circuit board is still installed, but they can become dislodged if someone presses too hard on the reset button. And when you open it, you might find it dangling, okay? So all you want to do is pop it back into place, okay? And we're going to take our zip tie, and we're going to wrap our zip tie around the locking device. When you're done, it should look something like this, okay? Then you're going to grab your wire cutters. You're just going to cut off the excess. It should look something like this when it's complete. Okay, then we'll snap this back in place. Be sure that it locks itself on both ends. Okay, grab your cover. Flip it over. And grab our Phillips head screwdriver again. Lock these down, and you're good to go. You'll notice when you press the reset button, now that the board's installed, you can feel the click. This time, turn the control on, plug our Vitoconnect cable back in, close our cover. And once she boots up, if we have a fault, we can reset it, and we're good to go.